Hi guys, and welcome to Mike's Possibly Technical World video reviews. Today we're going to be having a look at the Worx wg746.9. It's the glue gun from the Maker X series. Uses the Maker X hub, and yeah, we're going to be having a look at it. And we're going to be doing something a little bit interesting today because we're going to be fixing my hat. No, not this one. Rumour has it this is actually glued to my head, and rumour has it also used the wx746.9 to actually glue it there. I don't know whether or not those rumours are true, but yeah, that's why I have a hat, because I have no hair. True. But when I'm not wearing that hat, I love to wear this hat. It's my favourite hat. It's my I am Mike hat. It's also a replica of a certain archaeologist's hat, and I love it. I actually bought this in America. It's made by Henschel. It's genuine, it's real, it weighs about 1.5 kilos. It's made out of bull hide. It's beautiful. I've always wanted one, and I had to go to America to go and get it. And unfortunately, I've worn it so much that the band around it has come unstuck, let's say. And you can see it has some kind of adhesive. Not sure what type. I suspect something very similar to a glue gun. And because I suspect it's similar to a glue gun, I think that I should entrust my Worx wx746.9 to re-glue this. I say trust. This isn't a 50p market special hat. This cost an awful lot of money if you consider the fact being I had to go to America to buy it. What's the cost of a flight to America from England? A lot. It's theoretically prices. I think it's about $120 for it. But it's beautiful and I love it. And I want to repair it. I want it to be back how it should be. So that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to do some upholstery repairs. Hat repairs. I'm sure there's a name for a hat repairer. Hattist? Don't know. Hatter. Mad hatter. Just like you, Mike. Yep. Right. Let's crack on with it. So guys, here you are on the table. The table. Yeah, this is it. Not really a lot to say or do about it, other than underneath here is the power on and off button. You can basically turn it on and off live, and here is the applicator, grip, trigger, thumb, four fingers, however you really want to hold this. I mean, it's very versatile how you can use it. Personally, like the pen approach. It's quite comfortable, it's ergonomic, it's got like this grippy stuff around here. The glue sticks go in the back. I can't take this one out because it's already stuck in, but as I said before, it takes these 6mm 1/4 inch glue sticks. They go in the back there, they shove down, and basically as you pull this, it pulls it through some kind of weird shovey mechanism. No idea really, but yeah, this is cold as cold can be, so everything you see is going to be real, if you like. There's going to be no fake warm-ups, you know, the usual stuff you get accused of being a YouTuber. It's quite cool. Again, I like this a lot. I've used this quite a bit for various bits and pieces, but nothing on today's scale what I'm about to do. You turn it on by the button here, you press and hold for 3 seconds, it turns red, and then however long it takes, I mean, we're 1:35 at the moment. At some point this will turn green. When it does, it is ready. Let's try and get a bit of focus on it. That's a bit better. Just over 10 seconds have elapsed. 20 seconds and it goes green. And it is now ready to spew the goo. And yeah, that's pretty cool. And if you wait a couple of seconds, you can burn your finger, get it on your finger, and go, yeah, it's cool glue. It's child-friendly, safe stuff, and it turns into string afterwards. It's a standard plastic glue. It rips your fingerprint off there for the police to turn around and take later after your crime, and that's pretty cool. And of course, you sit there going, "Well, Mike, so far in your Maker X videos, everything you've done is a live, real thing. I haven't made a video just for wanton destruction, with the exception of the grinder, I think, because that is just a tool of wanton destruction." So yeah, the next question really is, what am I going to be doing? And this is a very special thing, something very close to my heart. This, ladies and gentlemen, is my Henschel replica Indiana Jones hat that I bought in America for a stupid amount of money. It's the real deal. It is a fedora Panama. You can't get any more real than that. It's made out of bull hide, and it is made by Henschel. You can see there. I'll turn the light up, it might help. I'll brighten it up. And there you go. That is the real deal. Henschel. How you pronounce it? Henschel. I got Henschel. Whoever. They're the real deal. But unfortunately, the glue, which was around the brim trim, has come away. And it's very handily stitched in just there. But it's also stitched in there, but it's come away, and it's also stitched in the back. For some reason, they didn't think to stitch it anywhere around here where it's come away. And this glue, I believe, is actually what they call shoe glue. It's like a vulcanizing sort of style glue. It's pretty hard to get hold of. I do have some, but I thought, you know what, I need to do a video on the glue gun. So why on earth not? You know, I mean, I love my work stuff. I put trust in my work stuff. So why don't I glue my hats with my work stuff? Yep. It's probably not the most orthodox method in the world. And if I screw it up, well, that gives me a damn good excuse to go back to America and buy another one. So I'm going to do small bits at a time. Dab of glue, move on. Dab of glue, move on. Dab of glue, you get the idea. And then just before it sets, I'm making sure any excess goes low. We're going to work our way around the brim. Hopefully when the cold bit touches the cold bit, it sets, which is the cold of the leather. And then just going to continue. I don't know how well we can see that, unfortunately, but try not to get the stringy stuff on it, because I don't really want to detract from my very expensive hat. It's the only other hat I wear. Obviously, I wear the one that I wear for YouTube videos quite regularly, and this is my other hat. This is my good hat, my occasion hat. You'll notice it's also very distinctly similar to a certain film star archaeologist who may or may not rhyme with dinner, Dana, Hones. Yes, this is a replica of the famous archaeologist's hat. Unfortunately, my YouTube career hasn't taken off to the point whereby I can say this is a real, original film piece. if anyone is willing to donate one. No, I couldn't. I'd wear it. I'd use it. Stuff like this can't be worn. It must sit as a collector's piece. Oh, accidentally turned it off there. It's very easy to do if you accidentally push it. I think it's a single push to turn off, but a push and hold to turn on. It's my fault. And now it's going to make me wait 30 seconds, but I'm pretty sure I can still continue. And there we have it. Get the last bit of stringy stuff off. I am suitably... I didn't glue that bit, did I? No, it's just around there. I think I'll maybe flame torch that a little bit of thread off. I could have got the wife to put a stitch through there, but to be honest, I might even just leave it. I don't think anyone's going to look at it that great detail. It has lifted very slightly there. That is very annoying. Of course, because it's glue gun, you can just scrape it off. And yeah, I'm very pleased with that. It's just as well because I need that for this Friday. Because I'm going to go to a wedding and I'm bored and, well, I've got to wear something, let's be honest. It's either the flat cap or the fedora. Fedora Panama, to be exact. Yeah, for me, oh, you can't even see that, can you? Because of course the camera's facing the opposite direction. Well, I look damn amazing in it, and that's all you need to know. So yeah, there you have it. That is the Worx WG7. Sorry, WG was WX. It's WX, of course, isn't it? It's not a garden product. It's all Mike. The Worx wx746.9. Yeah, it's a remarkable tool. I really like it. It's very handy for doing small, like gluing projects like this. There are no limits to what you can use it on. If you've got a fedora that you need the brim trim gluing back on, it's there for it, and it's done it, and it's a very quick and easy fix. It's very durable and it's very comfort, no matter what sort of like comfy rather, no matter what angle you're holding it at. Cool down time is a little bit slow if you like. It does hold quite a bit of heat. It's quite warm. I'd say warm. It's tepid, I would say. It does have a rubber snout on it. Yeah, it's at the end of the day, it is a glue gun. These retail, I think, at about £40, if I remember rightly. They're one of the cheaper Maker X tools. Obviously, it runs off the Maker X hub, which runs off the 20-volt power share batteries. And yeah, you can get these now available on the usual places like the eBay store or the Worx UK website. Obviously, they are available in other countries as well. However, I'm not knowledgeable on those specific websites. I will put a link below. I don't do affiliate links or anything like that because I don't see the point in them. Yeah, I just like talking about my Worx tools. Yeah, I just buy them basically to review them and use them, and they're very, very handy. I've yet to find a single Worx tool that I don't use. Therefore, they're all useful, all good. But yeah, that's that. If you like, tick on the list. I think the only other Worx Maker X tool I've got to review, I believe, is the airbrush. I think that's it. And then I've done all of the Maker X accessories. Wow. I think Worx needs to start making some more different ones. Unless, of course, I've forgotten any. Rotary tool, done soldering iron, done heat. Yeah, I've done them all, apart from the airbrush. Yeah, airbrush is going to be the next project, which I do believe I've got a use for. So yeah, happy days. Right, I shall stop babbling and I'll leave you guys to it. Have a great rest of your day, whatever you're doing. I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.